Hi, in this video I'd like to show you how to pen and brush plate with our battery-powered plating pen using our gold and silver plating solutions. For selective pen plating, fit one of our nibs into the pen electrode, dip the nib in our gold or silver pen plating solution and start plating. It makes light work of selective plating small items such as jewellery and electrical contacts. It can be used with our other solutions such as the rose gold, yellow gold and the rhodium pen plating solutions. We also have a range of pen electrodes that match the pen plating solution you're using. These include the platinum, silver, carbon, copper and nickel electrodes. If you want to plate larger areas, just fit the short platinum electrode, slot it into the end of our battery pen and secure it with the Allen key that's included in the kit, and slip on one of our short swabs. Grip one of our conductor strips in the crocodile clip, take the item you're plating and start brush plating with regular circular strokes, moving evenly over the surface of your work. Dip your swab in the plating solution at regular intervals to replenish the gold. To silver plate, remove one of the batteries and replace it with our battery replacer. This reduces the voltage for silver plating. Make sure you rinse the swab and electrode thoroughly between plating with different plating solutions. Like the pen electrodes, we have a range of short electrodes in different materials to match the brush plating solution you're using. Of course, if you want to speed up the plating and deposit a thicker layer more quickly, you could use our pen plating solutions with our short electrode. For help with correct surface preparation and plating to specific thicknesses, please click on the link to our electroplating guides and plating calculators on the main menu of our website. To see more videos about the spar plating process, please click on the YouTube icon at the top of our website. Thank you for watching.